Is it snowing? Is it pretty? Yeah? Look at the snow falling. Isn't that nice? What is that? What is that? What is that, Amelia? Pretty snow. Yeah? Trying to touch it? Hmm?
Letting her freeze. She probably woke up because she was cold.
No, I kept touching her cheeks and her hands. She was totally cold.
She was all bundled.
That was nice.
Yeah, drum. You gonna play the drum, Henry? No.
No, he gave Amelia his drumstick.
Oh, that was nice.
He took it back.
Okay, go ahead and play it. Amelia's playing the bells and you play the drums. There you go. You got a little band going. Go on, keep playing. Yeah, go ahead, Millie. Play your bells. Play your jingle bells. There you go. She really likes playing with him. It's not like she wants to be away from him.
Is her daycare all girls?
One boy.
Oh, okay, I was gonna say it looked like all girls in the picture. Maybe she likes boys.
Maybe.
Henry, why are you talking so much? Oh, you know what? He drank that whole thing of milk.
Is that the phone or is that a toy?
Silver? That's the phone that comes with this.
Oh,
And there's
it comes with a phone?
Yeah, and there's a spot over here for it to hang up. It was ma'am? I don't think so. Who are you talking to? Amelia, you were talking to? Amelia. Well, that's good, Henry.
Aww.
Henry, let her figure it out, okay?
Are you eating the phone?
Henry. Henry, you're not. No. Yucky. Take it out. Take it out of your mouth. That's yucky. Call some